Aaron Rodgers blitzes Big Pharma, seemingly praises Novak Djokovic's COVID vaccine decision at U.S. Open. New York Jets quarterback Aaron Rodgers attended the U.S. Open with CJ Uzomah and Randall Cobb on Sunday, adding to the many sporting events Rodgers has attended since joining the Jets in April. The four-time MVP watched one of the all-time tennis greats play at Arthur Ashe Stadium, taking in a Novak Djokovic match in person for the first time. Rodgers hopped on Instagram to post a photo to his story of Djokovic preparing to serve against Borna. Rodgers used the hashtag novaxdjokovic while crossing out a Moderna sign on the side of the court, adding that watching Djokovic in person was on his bucket list. Djokovic is playing at the U.S. Open for the first time since 2021 after he was barred from entering the United States for last year's tournament due to his vaccination status. The U.S. lifted its COVID-19 vaccination requirement for international travelers on May 11. Prior to the start of the tournament, the 23-time Grand Slam champion said he did not harbor any resentment over what occurred. No, there was no anger. It was last year during the Open that I felt it's a pity that I'm not there. I felt sad for not being able to participate, Djokovic said with a shrug of his shoulders, draped in a gray hoodie. But this year, is this year. I don't think about what happened in the last year or last couple of years. Just focusing my attention to this year's tournament. Rodgers also made headlines for his stance on the COVID-19 vaccine, finding himself in hot water prior to the 2021 season after telling reporters he was immunized against COVID. In November 2021, after testing positive for COVID-19, Rodgers apologized to people who may have felt misled by his comments after revealing he was unvaccinated. I made some comments that people might have felt were misleading. To anybody who felt misled by those comments, I take full responsibility for those comments. I'm excited about feeling better. I'm excited about moving forward and hopefully getting back with my team and getting back to doing what I do best, and that's playing ball. It's been tough being away from it. I've been obviously dealing with the COVID, and I feel like I'm on the other side of it, thankfully, and I'm thankful to still be able to have something to look forward to this weekend, hopefully, Rodgers said on the Pat McAfee Show, according to ESPN. Rodgers is preparing for his first regular season game as a member of the Jets after spending the first 18 seasons of his career with the Green Bay Packers. The Jets welcomed the Buffalo Bills to MetLife Stadium on September 11. Rodgers' representation had not responded to a request for comment by time of publication.